Hi, I wanted to share with you this new thing that I found on Teachers Pay Teachers. They're called Boom Cards, and they do cost money, but I think they could be very beneficial as far as centers or stations. And as long as they're going to be using the computer, this would be really beneficial. And what's cool is they download right to Google Classroom. They do cost money, but you can buy them in individual and bundles. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the Google Classroom, what's been assigned. So I've already assigned 3 sets of cards for the students. So if you notice up here, they'll have a little button where they can have sound. They can turn on and off the sound. So here they're just basically working quickly to say, okay, which fraction's bigger? So we know 2/3. I click submit. Okay, and then what I like about this is that it has the noise telling them it's correct. And then it also, what's cool is it highlights it and circles it in green if it's right. So let me do if it's wrong.
Whoops.
So it gives them a little error message and it puts it in red for them. That way they can go back, fix the mistake, and if they don't understand it, then they can go through and they can click up here on the top, they can click skip. Okay, so if they just don't get it, they can move on. But you can set it up to be graded, but you can also just set it up for them to play. And that's it. I just wanted to share.